Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's the Block Bull right about now, bringing you another episode to the channel. Now, today we're going to talk about the market as a whole and how the market is rebounding back from its current retracement. Now, yesterday we had the FOMC meeting, and in the meeting, 19 policymakers of the US saw 3/4 point rate cuts this year. So this is positive news. Hence why we're seeing this rebound now across the markets, especially in the crypto. Now, we all know that Bitcoin has set a new all-time high for this year. And throughout history, any time Bitcoin has made a new all-time high, that tends to obviously affect the rest of the market, leading into Ethereum, then flowing later on into the alts. Now, what I find fascinating is this is the crypto total market cap. So this is all market cap across the board. And as you can see here with this chart, we've still not breached the all-time high set back in November 21. Now, I find this quite interesting because, literally, crypto has been going wild, to be fair, since the beginning of 2023. As you can see here on the chart. We've played out a little bit, had a little bit of consolidation, and then we've seen that pop. We've broken that trend line there, acting as resistance. Flipped bear into bull, and then we're kind of we're up at these highs now, and that's probably what that dip's been all about. As we've literally, I think, just missed it. So we've just missed the highest weekly close, but that dip has obviously taken out this sort of second peak. And it looks as if we've almost taken out this third peak. So the majority of liquidity has been taken out in the crypto market for me. And now obviously once we start breaching this high, I think we're going to see some absolute fireworks. Now that high, the highest weekly close there is about 2.7 trillion, 2.8 trillion. So as soon as we breach this sort of mark, I think it's going to go absolutely wild. So I'm looking forward to it, honest to God. So I think April, May, June are all going to be absolutely massive months, and then we'll probably see some consolidation after we've seen a couple of, the first and second impulse on most cryptos. So we'll start off with XDC, and what I'm going to do is just horn in so we can see what's going on. Now, yesterday I did post on X about this little wedge being created here on the support, which we covered in the previous video. XDC is getting back up to the wedge. We could do with a close really above this sort of green trend line, if you will. And then at least we know we've got that sort of safety net, because we can always revisit, come back down here. We can also have a large wick, taking out all these swing lows here, just under 4 cents. We're still on with the fractal as well. You can't see it right now, but obviously leading to the 22nd, which would be tomorrow, we should get that price hike, and hopefully we can start closing above the wedge, and then by end of the month we're looking at getting up at this first sort of interim target around 9-10 cent. Now that's XDC. Obviously a lot of people enjoy following XRP, a lot of heavy investors. So, whereas again, I posted this on the channel all over on x.com yesterday. So I talked about this interim sort of support line here, dating back from around the 7th of February. So this trend line's been going on over a month now. It's come down a couple of wicks through, and XRP looks really strong here because it's not as if we're seeing any daily closes on the trend line. We're second guessing. These are clear. These closes are clear above the trend line, in my opinion. So, and I don't feel like XRP is going to stay around for these prices much longer. To be fair, this multi-year wedge down here with the orange and the green trend lines converging. This is around the 1st of April, so that's what I'd expect. Hopefully, from the 22nd up until the end of March, I would be aiming at getting up to that previous. I'd be looking at getting up above here, above the July 23 clauses around this 80 to 90 cent mark. We could even take out this wick here, 90, anywhere between 80 and 90 cent anyway. By the end of the month would be great, and then obviously we can make that massive move up take out the 2021 high and carry on anywhere from 270, which was the highest daily close, up until that wick. I don't think that was a wick actually, that was actually a daily close up at $3.25, so I'd expect that to be hit during April. Rebound, retest and back off to the markets and ultimately hit the top of our Fibonacci extension. So that's XRP. Let's just have a look at the big orange quickly. So yeah, you can see that liquidation spike here. Now what I'll be tending to do is move that up here, because that's obviously clear support. Let's delete that. Let's just have a zoom out anyway on the daily, see where we're at in terms of Bitcoin price action. So yeah, this has been my sort of next target, would be this next black trend line. So let's just go up on the weekly, and that'll explain why I've drawn it here. So yeah, you can see marking out the top of the closes, close. So our interim target, our next target, we're looking to get up to about that 100k mark. So that would be my sort of price target through April. Now that would be great if we can get up to 100k just before the halving. Like, could you imagine how bullish that is for the rest of the crypto tokens? So that's Bitcoin. What's everybody else interested in? Quant sort of playing out as you can imagine. So again, as soon as we start getting above about $140, it looks like we're going to start making that first impulse, and we'll soon get up into those recent highs, or the previous high there back in 2022. We can get up to there, and then obviously we're targeting all-time highs after that during impulse 3. hbar quickly, hbar with a fractal. So hbar's obviously retested this high here, this wick. Yeah, there we go, retested it successfully. So we're literally just testing previous structure here. We're literally retesting the bear market. For me, that's all been confirmed, and I think we're all in for some massive gains here. It doesn't really matter at this point which cryptocurrencies you're holding, just because all of these cryptos now look primed, and they're all ready to rip in my opinion. So that's hbar. What else would we like to see? I know we've got quite a lot of strongholders following the channel. So we're on the weekly at the moment. Let's go into the 4 hourly. Now strongholds. Oh, so this is on the 4 hourly. Oh, nice. So we've had quite a bit of a wick up there, but as you can see, even though it got above the wedge, this bottom trend line acting as support has obviously been extended, because we're now exited, and it's obviously marked up there, closed, and then it's fallen off, and it's now retesting the support. So this is extended market structure, so obviously it's indecisive, but even though it's high risk, I do expect stronghold to go up and take out this all-time high, and also this wick, just because the nature of the crypto market in general. So that's stronghold, XLM. I'm pretty sure I had some other. Oh, there we go. We've got some more TA now when we scroll out. So again, this is on the 4 hourly. So this is going back to June 23 of last year. So we've broken out of this wedge here, retested once with the wick, rebounded, retested again. We're at the end of that wedge now, so I do expect XLM to start making some serious moves. I'd be targeting up here around 60 cent. So that can easily do a massive move during April. I'm expecting all massive moves in April. I think, yeah, during April, I think we can get up to this sort of mark here. About a 350% increase on XLM. Another crypto token built on XLM, Stellar, along with Stronghold. Velo is one of my favourites at the moment, just because of the pure gains that can be had. So this is a great time. I'll just zoom out now, but as you can see, we're on the bottom trend line. So that's a really good entry in my opinion. If we scroll out to the daily, as you can see in the previous videos, we talked about these massive gains. So there's about a 57x here, just to get up to resistance. And then if we continue going, Let's just stretch that out. You've got that 330x still on the horizon as well to challenge all-time highs on this particular coin. So some promising things. It's all looking really good. I feel like the worst in the market is behind us right now. So we're all eyes are on April. We might see it playing out now for the next couple of days or next week to close the month. Let's close the month above all the bear structure. Be great if we could see velo in particular close above this sort of region here, above 12. Is it not even 12 cent? 0.0126. So if we can get a close above there, then we are looking promising, and I do expect once we do get that close, we will be challenging resistance as noted. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave it there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and a like, drop any comments as well, and I shall be back soon with a DAG video. Cheers guys, Blockable out.